What's going on, everyone? As you can see, I'm in my garage. Got the heater going because it's a little chilly here. Good old Minnesota. Got the TV going. Today, I'm actually going to be setting up this engine hoist and trans holder upper so I can get this old transmission from the Camaro set up and tear into that. Just an old 4L60. Put this down a little bit. But yeah, so I'm gonna work on getting that set up. Hopefully start tearing into the transmission. I gotta go here in a little bit to pick up a buddy and bring him to his truck after getting tinted. So we'll see how far we get, and I guess post whatever we got. God damn, it's like purple. And this had like not even 200 miles on it.
That's bad. That's sparkly. Oh, wow. Oofda.
Wonder what the paint
Look
is
at
gonna
those
look like.
sparkles. Tear it open.
Oh, there goes
Well,
that.
there goes that. Is it ready?
I think so. Might need to pry it with the screwdriver on top. We'll go diving to the bolt.
Ew. You ready? Here it comes.
More silicone than I remember.
This side.
Get a big one.
Oh, there it goes. Ooh, there's a little fluid.
Oh.
Oh.
It's just straight metal. And it's
Look at
everywhere.
all those pieces. Look at the corner. Oh my gosh. That's insane. That's bad. That is bad.
Dump it out.
That's bad. Oh no. And these are chunks, aren't they? Oh no.
Get that middle part.
That is solid metal.
Oh, I just dropped trans fluid on my phone.
That's bad, Wesley. And there was barely any miles on it.
Yeah, something.
Internal. Obviously. Look at. That should not be like that. That's bad.
Alrighty, I guess more in we go. Alrighty, well, now that we got the pan off, I think we'll go ahead and start taking this stuff off, get the valve body out, and then start popping all of the internals out. So I'll probably pop you guys on my head, and hopefully the little headband thing I got will work okay. Tried doing a video the other day about tearing down the 6.0 that I got, and I ended up missing quite a bit, so I just scrapped that video. So I'll have to play around with everything a little bit, but we'll give that a shot, and fingers crossed we get something decent out of it. It was just kind of funky.
I thought the transmission like didn't shift above like 2 or 3. Was that? Huh. It's mostly like up there. I guess that was the bottom, so it settled. What is that?
It's a filter. Yeah, look at all the metal.
Stuck up on that filter. Yeah. Moved it.
And this plate was pretty much brand new, so hopefully there's no marks. There's some cut paper or something. Where all these bigger holes are where those check balls sit, and with the metal ones, they end up hitting it when the fluid goes by, and that's how it goes through different passages. And sometimes after hitting it, it'll
Wear it.
yeah, end up breaking the plate. That's why I put these plastic ones in.
you can really open up on this?
No.
This bottom part here?
Yeah, I guess the bottom part, yeah, I mean.
You gotta open the top now.
And take that out. That's the other accumulator. This is the parking pawl. So when you put it in park, it engages that, yeah, and that locks it.
Can't really see much in there. Rocket launcher. We don't have a spot for that one.
Yeah.
What?
The Wrangler Betty Johnson collection carries my roots in every state, so you can walk a little taller wherever you go. Wrangler, long live Jones.
Cody Johnson.
That's pretty much the top side.
Will that come out right now?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, that doesn't look good.
Oh, yeah, that bolt.
You destroyed that fucker.
God dang, my hands are too slippery. There we go.
I feel that. I have to deal with that all day, every day at work.
This thing be starting to hurt my head.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Those veins, holy shit, they be popping.
That's on video.
But, oh well. Is that just gonna pop off and fall on your head? Oh, the housing can't come in.
Need a stronger pry bar.
That would be hella expensive at all.
Hmm. This thing is kind of a pain.
I'm gonna go dry.
Okay.
I'm gonna also like bring a trash bag upstairs for the room. I can clean up all my junk and then get ready. Have fun on here. Don't stay tuned.
There we go. This way. Come on. Let's go. Try to get in the back a little bit. Come on. She finally came. There we go. Nothing too abnormal there. Sounded like there was some stuff though. What's this? That looks like plastic or something. Take that apart later. That just sits in there. Got to get rid of this little gasket here. I can just get this band. This, I believe, is the input drum. Everything looks kind of alright in there. This here is not what I thought it was. I was about to call it a sun shell, but that's that part in there. It's some stuff right there. I mean, the clutches still look brand new, mostly because they are. Like I said, this thing only had like probably 200 or something miles on it, not even. Band looks fine. Seems to be doing fine. Deep down in there. There should be a little lock ring sitting in there. Can't necessarily see it. Under doesn't really do anything for me. It's been a minute since I took this thing apart, so I don't entirely remember. But yeah, I do believe that there is a lock ring, or a snap ring, or whatever you want to call it, I guess. Oh, I see it. Alright. Down by my finger, there's a little guy, so... Oop. Dropped my phone, but it didn't go in the fluid, so we Gucci. Let's see. Sometimes you can get these without having to use those actual pliers, because those things can be a bit of a pain. There we go. This little POS. Bought this planetary set. That looks pretty much all right. Oh, there's some little metal bits falling out, I think. These look to be all right. Got the sun shell here.
He's a constant masturbator. Hey Mason, you remind me of Andrew from Big Mouth. I never seen the show. Yeah, right. It's the dudes. You have a custom free crawler? You have your own? Whoa, I have a custom free crawler.
Put this snap ring back in there so I don't lose it. Come on. There you go. And I think, actually I'll have to pop off the tail housing, but that tail shaft should be pretty much ready to come on out. Let's see. I'll try to go ahead and take off this tail shaft. Not sure what that noise was. A little bit extra tight, I guess. Come on. Go. Set that guy over there. Then I think, yep, out comes the output shaft. That all looks all right. Okay. What next? Take off this little bearing here. Set you right on there. This looks all right. Oh, that's the thing, the servo. That's it. What else do we have going on in there? I believe this guy should just be kind of popping out. Oh, it's got a snap ring, duh. Duh. Come on, don't be mean. Go. Now we should be able to pull this thing out in theory. I wonder. I think I do recall. Seeing something about having to kind of just knock things out with the output shaft. Here she goes. All this messing around for nothing. How did these come out? These should have been locked down. This looks alright, and if I remember, it's supposed to spin one way and not the other, which it does. So that should be alright. We got the case saver in here. Maybe these don't have a lock ring that sit on top of them. I could have sworn they do though. We got. Let's tighten you back up. All right. Everything on here looks all right. everything looks alright on here as well.
Yeah, it's just no, you're it's just like in differentiate tracks. I lived. You crushed me underneath into one of the platforms and I lived. But all those points at the bottom are gonna be really hard in the go-kart. Yeah, I don't know. It's gonna be like there's like a whip. That messed me up.
And I got to compress that spring in there. You can get away with using what's going on here? Using C-clamps. I have done it. But I did end up buying the tool, so we might as well try to use that. That's for the input check or the pump, I believe. So don't really need that. That's for the Teflon seals. We'll use that later. That's for engine stuff. Don't worry, we'll get there at some point. This, I believe. Here we go. Let's see. That's too small.
Bees are dying too. Yeah. Bees are dying from the heat.
Doesn't seem like it's. There we go. You gotta be careful. I have had it to where I can press them too much and it kind of distorts it. Okay, I think that's hopefully, maybe, possibly compressed. And then there is a spring in there, or a clip in there. Let's maybe grab my phone and try to take a peek. Okay. Looks like it's up top there. Not sure how much you'll be able to see, but I will try. Maybe. Oh yeah, I did get it. Solid. Let me just release this bad boy. Hopefully not send a spring up in my face. Solid. back be killing me. Okay, maybe that is still kind of stuck in there. Let's well, oh, right there. I don't know if you can see, it is still kind of distorted from when I kind of did it wrong before, but there she be. And then I believe to get this part out, you have to go ahead and blow air in there. So I won't be able to do that right now because I don't really want to go and turn on the air compressor. But yeah, so this thing is for the most part pretty much torn down as far as the case goes. Obviously a couple odds and ends left in there, but you know, it'll get us where we need to be. I think this is gonna end up being it for this episode. In the next one, I will kind of go through the pump and all the other mini assemblies, I guess, sub-assemblies. I really didn't see anything that made me understand what was going on, so that's a little odd. I'm thinking maybe it was an issue in the pump because it seemed like it wasn't building up pressure. But I guess we'll hopefully dig into it a little more in the next video and find a little more info out. But in the meantime, that's going to be it for this episode. Hopefully the footage came out okay. We'll see how it did in the review of it. But if there's anything you guys would prefer I do different or would rather see or whatever, let me know. Otherwise, if you like how it's going, let me know. Any feedback is good feedback. And yeah, we'll end it off for the night. See you in the next one. And yeah, adios.